Congress MP and Minority Department Chairman Imran Pratapgarhi has demanded that TV news channels issue a public apology to the Tablighi Jamaat and the Muslim community, after Delhi police cleared Maulana Saad Kandalwi, head of Nizamuddin Markaz, of all charges. Pratapgarhi reminded how, during the COVID pandemic, primetime shows ran with headlines like Corona Jihad, blaming Muslims for spreading the virus. He said, "Not a single allegation against Maulana Saad has been proven true, yet an entire community was defamed." He further urged the government to direct those channels to broadcast apologies and seek forgiveness, vowing to raise the matter in parliament. The investigation into Maulana Saad found no evidence of wrongdoing, his speeches showed nothing objectionable, and Delhi High Court has already quashed multiple FIR against Jamaat preachers. 5 years later, it's clear, the charges were false and fabricated. The big question now, will media houses take responsibility and apologize, or remain silent?